Zongshen's new cross-border Rubik's Cube is officially on sale at a price of 11,588 yuan. The appearance of Zongshen Rubik's Cube can be said to be quite ambitious. The square lines show that it will take a different route from other domestic mini motorcycles. DAMO Academy believes that the front face of Cube adopts a half-mask design, and the brightly colored front and rear transparent covers provide infinite expansion for the square body. The bottom of the fuel tank also adopts a square hollow design. The body is avant-garde and science fiction. Due to its special appearance lines and design structure, it is 100% original. Zongshen was inspired by a robot dog when it designed Rubik's Cube. Although it is positioned as a mini motorcycle, the configuration of Zongshen Cube is quite energetic. In terms of configuration, Cube has better configurations than mini street motorcycles at the same level. It is equipped with duct ABS brakes, TCS traction system and T-Box intelligent connected car system. This is a very rare configuration for a mini motorcycle. It is also worth mentioning that it has fully enclosed wheels, front and rear disc brakes, LCD indicators, full car LED headlights, lens headlights and double spring shock absorbers. It is also worth mentioning that the Cube's handlebars are designed to be much higher than other forked bikes, making the riding posture much flatter, a very relaxed and comfortable riding position. Power and transmission are also Cube's special skills. The Cube's engine uses a 150 cubic centimeters water-cooled engine with a maximum power of 11.5 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 14.5 Nm. It has more power and torque than the 150 cubic centimeters water-cooled engine produced by Zonsen in many scooters currently on the market. Zongshen's TS150 engine is basically used by itself and is rarely transferred to external sources. The biggest feature of Rubik Cube is that it adopts CVT continuously variable transmission, which can be easily switched. It can be turned on and off. It is very easy to drive. Coupled with the unique CVT continuously variable transmission structure and many advantages such as high configuration and strong power among the 150 cubic centimeters models at the same level, the arrival of this vehicle may cause a new youth trend storm in the local mini market.